What's up, everybody, and welcome back to CryptoBeat, your go-to source for crypto insights. In today's video, we are diving into Chainlink, exploring its advantage, disadvantage, and whether it's a smart crypto investment for the upcoming bull market. But before that, of course, if it's your first time here, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the family. Like this, you definitely help me to grow my channel and, of course, to create more and more content just for you. Let's go the intro and let's get started. So first, let's talk about the benefits of Chainlink. Decentralization and security. Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network ensures the reliability and security of data feeds, making it a robust choice for smart contracts. Versatility. Chainlink connects smart contracts with real-world data, enabling a wide range of applications in finance, DeFi, and beyond. Partnerships. Chainlink has established partnerships with major players like Google, Oracle, and Swift, indicating industry recognition. Proven track record. Chainlink has a history of delivering reliable data feeds essential for DeFi projects. So now let's explore the pros of investing in Chainlink. Well, solid market position. Chainlink consistently rank among the top cryptocurrencies by market cap, indicating investors' confidence. Growing adoption. With an expanding ecosystem, Chainlink is becoming a crucial component in the crypto space. Use case demand. As DeFi and blockchain projects growth, so the demand of Chainlink service is likely to increase. Technological advancement. Chainlink continues to improve and innovate its Oracle solution. Of course, every investment has its own downsides. Let's look at the cons of Chainlink. Competition. The Oracle space is becoming more and more competitive, with other projects challenging Chainlink dominance. Market volatility. Like all cryptocurrencies, Chainlink is subject to market volatility, which can impact its value. Regulatory uncertainty involving regulation could potentially affect Chainlink's operation. Also, dependence on data source. Chainlink reliability depends on the accuracy of external data source. Okay, so now, should you consider Chainlink for the next bull market? Well, I would say diversification, right? If you are looking to diversify your crypto portfolio, Chainlink can be a solid addition. Long-term vision. Chainlink's strong fundamentals and partnerships suggest long-term potential. But of course, you have to consider risk management, right? Considering the risk and only invest the money that you are affording to lose. In conclusion, Chainlink offers a robust Oracle network with several benefits and strong market presence. However, like any investment, it comes with its own set of risks. Whether Chainlink is a good or bad crypto investment for the next bull market, it depends on your investment style, strategy, and risk tolerance. So before finish the video, I'd like to go a little bit more. Let's delve into the Chainlink's market cap, fully diluted markup, and the tokenomics. So market cap, at the time of this video, Chainlink's market capitalization is approximately $4,055,253,185, making it one of the top ranked cryptocurrencies. The fully diluted market cap takes into account all potential future tokens. For Chainlink, this is approximately 7,282,487,914, showing the full extent of the project's potential growth. The tokenomics. Chainlink's native token is Link. It serves several purposes within the network, such as incentivizing node operators and providing collateral for smart contracts, with a circulation supply of 556,849,971 Link tokens. Its scarcity and utility drive demand. And for price prediction of Link, let me share my screen with you guys here very fast. So as you can see here, if the global market cap of the cryptocurrency goes to $5 to $6 trillion, we can see Chainlink be around $168 to $336.97. If things go very, very bullish and we see $10 trillion in global market cap with cryptocurrency, we can start talking of Chainlink going between $336 to $673 in the next cycle. Of course, that nothing that I say here should be considered financial advice, but Chainlink is here for the long term. It's a project that I really like. I think crypto needs projects like Chainlink. So the potential for Chainlink is huge for the next cycle or even for the next cycle after that. But now, of course, it depends on you and your way of investing if you believe that Chainlink would be a good investment for you. This is the video for today. If you guys like it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the family here. And I'll see you guys on the next video or maybe in another stream.